1939, the movie Gone with the Wind swept the United States like a prairie fire. But I was reading the other day in Acts chapter 2 about another kind of wind that blew in the upper room. And did you ever think about all that it blew away? It blew away cowardice. It blew away fear. It blew away division. It blew away anxiety. All of that was brought on by the power of the Holy Spirit moving by the very breath of God on 120 people that day. I pray that the wind of God will blow in your life and blow out the things that are a detriment to you today. And may you be strong in the power of the Holy Spirit. Know that I love you. I'm praying for you, and I'll be with you again for just a minute.